Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to keep these files, keep these forms in within folder in your Google Forms. So friends, Google Forms is these are the links or these are the tests used for my blogger website is MCQ type tests. You can embed these tests, these forms to any website like I have done for my blogger website from broker posts. So friends, here you can see that these are different tests like static GK tests or computer quizzes, and you can search from clicking here, or you can also give the test from here. So one important thing is that if let there are numerous or many hundreds of tests here, and you want to keep these files or these quizzes category wise in your any folder, so you just have to click on this folder, or you just have to open any quiz you have prepared, and then you will see a folder icon here. As you click there, you will find the location of this folder, where the folder is located, or in which folder this test or this quiz is being saved. So friends, for it you just have to go to your Google Drive, because the Google Forms all quizzes automatically redirects to your Google Drive. Like I have not uploaded separately on my Google Drive these quizzes, but as I prepare quizzes on my Google Forms, that automatically uploads on Google Drive, like you can see here. And after that I have made these folders, like you can create folders from here, like new folder, like here you can see this is new folder. I am not going to create any folder now because I don't need it. So you have chosen or you have uploaded the folders, and after that, how you have to put these files in your folder, you have to just let this GK part 2 is not in any folder, that's in your drive, and you can see like that's move outside of all the folders, and you want this Google Form file or file to be thrown to this folder. So you just have to uh, drag and drop to the general knowledge, or you just have to follow like right click and click on move option to move the file or file into this folder. So this is how all this works. So you can all manage these files or these forms within your folders category wise. So this is important to actually filter categorically. Thank you.